Hey everyone, welcome to High School Dropouts Advice. A quick update on Ehang. We got bomb news, but please let me get everyone up to date before we get into it. We will also talk about Ehang's competitor and if the evaluation and price of Ehang is a good buying opportunity for you now. Ehang is trading at around $35 at the time of recording, and we had a spike to about 124 in February before the Wolfpack accusation. If you want to watch that video, I will link the first part up here, and then I made an update which I also link up here and in the description below. And if you like to watch my first video where I introduce you to Ehang, I will link the video up here. If you are interested in Ehang and the drone stocks, please subscribe to my channel where you get constant updates regarding Ehang and drone stocks. We had nearly a 10% spike today with news from a Chinese tech website. This is the original source. So let me translate it. It's rumored that Ehang, a manufacturer of smart electric aircraft products, is about to launch a long-range smart electric aircraft product which will have a range of more than 400 kilometers on a single charge, and its range is 10 times that of the current flagship model 216. Here we have another translation which is stating pretty much the same thing. If the sources are trustworthy, it will overtake Joby Aviation, which drones have a 150-mile range. 400 kilometers will be more than 248 miles, which would beat Joby Aviation's range by nearly 100 miles. We already knew that Ehang's passenger drone have a bad range, but this update and upgrade are needed. So we hope that this news is real. Nevertheless, we all know that Ehang has to improve its range to stay competitive. I remember from another source that Ehang was experimenting with hydrogen technologies to get a boost to 100 kilometers. This was a while ago, but we know that hydrogen can be effective in boosting the range, as this drone manufacturer in the Netherlands proved. At the moment, we need to wait for a little to see if that news is real or not. In around 3 months, Ehang will go to France to work on a project with aerial transportation in the urban environment. We will see how that cooperation will turn out, but this is also a good relationship with the French government and an excellent chance to showcase its technology during the Paris 2024 Olympic Games, as you can see here. We have really exciting times ahead of Ehang. The collaboration with the French in June will also include partners in vehicle development, ground infrastructure and airspace integration. So for sure there are high potential partnerships possible. We know that vehicle production companies are also looking and exploring the drone industry. If everyone is flying in the future, then cars might be obsolete and car makers would be out of business. So it's in their interest to keep up with the development and opportunities. It would not surprise me that drone companies will get acquired from vehicle companies in the near future. Now let us talk about a big competitor, Joby Aviation. I call them a big competitor, but Ehang and Joby are still small and both need to grow in their market first. At the moment, it's like comparing two toddlers going into a boxing match. The damage can't be big. So Joby has to conquer the market shares in the United States and Ehang in China. Before that, we shouldn't be too worried about one company destroying the other company. The market is way too big and there's so much room for them to grow before they compete with each other. You might know that Joby Aviation wants to be publicly traded. To do this, they have to go through a SPAC. After all the transaction, the company will have a post-money valuation of 6.6 billion, which is more than 3 times the size of Ehang right now. Ehang is currently trading with a market cap of 1.9 billion. We know that Joby Aviation has a bigger drone which can transport 1 pilot and 4 passengers, as you can see here. We can't argue if a pilot with 4 passengers is better than currently 2 passengers and autonomous flying. We don't know which is better yet or not. We are just too early in development and in real life adoption to know which system is the superior one. But we have to add that EHang is involved in many other areas, not just in passenger transport, but also in drone delivery, smart city management via drones, aerial media, and much more. I talk about the ambition Ehang has in this video. I link up here and in the description below. So please watch all my Ehang videos so you know exactly what is going on right now. Seeing Joby getting an evaluation of 6.6 billion makes me think that Ehang should be really close to that evaluation or a little higher to keep everything fair. So I can see Ehang being at 5 to 8 billion in evaluation when you compare it with Joby and think about what Joby is worth for the investors. So Ehang is at $35 right now and can quickly shoot up to $70 when the spec of Joby went through. If the 400 kilometer range news is true, I can see Ehang getting back to $100 per share and challenging its all-time high of 124. The market correction and the Wolfpack research brought Ehang way down in an area where I think it's oversold, and this is based on the evaluation with Joby Aviation alone. Anyway, for legal reason I have to say I'm not a financial advisor, so remember, your money is your responsibility. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Please do your own due diligence and try to make the wisest move. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Many thanks. See you hopefully in the next video. Thank you. Bye.